Understanding carbohydrates, their role, types, and measurement methods. Introduction. Carbohydrates. They're often talked about, sometimes misunderstood, but always essential. In this presentation, we'll explore what carbohydrates are, the different forms they take, how they function in the body, and how we measure them, both in scientific settings and on everyday food labels. Whether you're interested in nutrition, biology, or simply making smarter dietary choices, this overview will help you understand the science and significance of carbohydrates. Section 1. Introduction to carbohydrates. Definition and basic structure. Carbohydrates are organic molecules made up of sugar units called monosaccharides. These are the simplest forms, single sugar molecules like glucose or fructose. When these units link together, they form more complex carbohydrates, ranging from short chains to long, branching structures. The way these molecules are arranged affects how they function and how easily they're digested. In short, structure determines behavior. Role in living organisms. Carbohydrates play several vital roles in living systems. First and foremost, they're the body's primary energy source, fueling everything from cellular metabolism to physical movement. They also serve as structural components, helping build and support cell walls and membranes. And beyond that, carbohydrates are involved in cell signaling and recognition, critical for immune responses and communication between cells. Importance in nutrition and health. From a nutritional standpoint, carbohydrates are indispensable. They provide the energy we need for daily activities, help regulate blood sugar levels, and support overall health and well-being. When consumed in balanced forms, like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, they contribute to a stable, nourishing diet. Section 2. Types of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates come in two main categories, simple and complex. Simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates include monosaccharides and disaccharides. Monosaccharides like glucose and fructose are absorbed quickly and provide immediate energy. Disaccharides, such as sucrose and lactose, consist of two sugar units and also deliver fast fuel. These sugars are found in fruits, sweets, and dairy products, ideal for quick bursts of energy. Complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are made of longer chains, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Examples include starch and cellulose. These break down more slowly, offering sustained energy and supporting gut health and cellular structure. You'll find them in whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, foods that nourish over time. Sources in foods. Carbohydrates are abundant in everyday foods. Fruits and vegetables offer natural sugars and fiber. Grains like rice, wheat, and oats are staple sources of energy. Dairy products contain lactose, a natural sugar that contributes to nutrition and energy. Choosing whole, minimally processed sources helps maximize the benefits. Functions and benefits. Let's look at what carbohydrates actually do for us. Energy production and metabolism. Carbohydrates are central to energy production. Through glycolysis, glucose is converted into pyruvate, generating ATP, the energy currency of cells. The citric acid cycle then completes glucose oxidation, producing even more energy-rich molecules. This process powers everything from brain function to physical movement. Impact on bodily functions and performance. Carbohydrates support muscle function, especially during endurance activities. They fuel brain activity. Glucose is the brain's preferred energy source. And they enhance overall physical performance, improving stamina, recovery, and focus. Dietary fiber and health benefits. Dietary fiber is a special type of carbohydrate that isn't digested but offers major health benefits. It promotes digestive health and regularity, helps regulate blood sugar by slowing glucose absorption, and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Section 3. Measuring carbohydrates. Now let's explore how carbohydrates are measured, both in scientific research and on food labels. Laboratory techniques. Scientists use several methods to analyze carbohydrates. Chromatography separates different carbohydrate types for detailed identification. Spectrophotometry measures light absorption to estimate concentration, And enzymatic assays use enzymes to detect and quantify specific sugars. These techniques help researchers understand the composition of foods and biological samples. Food labeling and nutrition facts. On food packaging, carbohydrate content is clearly displayed. Labels show total carbohydrates, including sugars and fiber. This helps consumers make informed dietary choices, especially those managing blood sugar or following specific nutrition plans. Glycemic index. The glycemic index, or GI, is another useful tool. It measures how quickly a carbohydrate raises blood glucose levels. Low GI foods are better for blood sugar control, especially for people with diabetes or insulin sensitivity. GI can guide smarter carbohydrate choices for long-term health. Conclusion. To wrap up, carbohydrates are essential for energy, metabolism, and overall health. They come in many forms, from simple sugars to complex fibers, and each plays a unique role in our bodies. Understanding the types of carbohydrates, their functions, and how they're measured empowers us to make better dietary decisions and appreciate the science behind our food. Thanks for listening, and here's to fueling wisely.